Hello from Chef Diamond's kitchen. How are you all doing? Today I will be teaching how to make spaghetti jollof. This method is very cheap and easy to prepare. Follow me and keep watching if you want to see this. Here are my ingredients. I have turkey wings here. You can use any meat of your choice to prepare this. I have a bottle of tomatoes, oil, spaghetti, fresh bell pepper, green pepper, onions, and basil paste. I also have seasoning cube and salt that I will use to prepare it. In a clean pot, I added my turkey wings. Now I will season with some chopped onions, salt, seasoning cube, and turmeric powder. I will just give it a stir, allowing it to cook in its own juice first for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I checked again. Wow, the turkey is ready. In another pot, I pour some oil, allow it for some minutes, and added the sliced onions, sliced bell pepper, and the tomato I had earlier. I'm going to give it a stir and let fry for a while. Meanwhile, in another pot, I will start boiling some water to cook my spaghetti. I want to make this meal very fast. Now, after frying for a while, I added my concentrated tomatoes, just a spoon, and also added some ground pepper. Then I added the blended tomatoes. I bought it like this. You can also use any fresh tomatoes, blend it and add to it. Give it a stir and allow cook again. For about 7 minutes. Now my water is boiling. I'm going to add the spaghetti, add some salt to it, and allow cooked. Now after 7 minutes, I added the seasoning cube to it and just a pinch of salt. Now I add the basil paste to it. Basil paste is so delicious. I tested this time to check if there was enough salt in the stew. Now I have sieved my spaghetti and I'm going to add it to it and stir very well. Wow, this is so delicious. Meanwhile, I have fried my turkey. Now I added just little meat stock to it to allow simmer for some minutes. I checked this time. I fried my turkey, added to it, and it was ready to eat. It's so delicious. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe if you have not subscribed before. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Goodbye.